Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. Today we're going to be going to Dollar Tree to look at some auto supplies. Let's check it out. Now we are off to the dollar store. We are now in Dollar Tree, and they have a whole aisle dedicated to car care. And we're going to go over some of the items that they have in a little detail. Dollar Tree has paintbrushes that are good for getting in corners and in hard to reach places, especially like cup holders and things of that nature. They also have different types of glue, epoxy glue, and fix all adhesive. They also have a variety of scrapers, accessory wire, and a variety of electrical tape. They have a variety of work gloves that you can use as well. What really surprised me was the bungee cords. They come in different lengths. They also have a sanding sponge, and they have a variety of sandpaper. I think it's like 30 pieces in the pack. It's pretty cool. They also have levelers and utility knives as well. Dollar Tree has these small toolboxes that are pretty deep. You know, when you think about just paying $1.25 for it, they work really good. They're pretty strong, pretty stiff, and you can put a lot of stuff in them. And again, if you don't have any tools, it's a good way to start your starter kit. They have glass wipes. They have steering wheel covers in different colors, and they also have ice scrapers, snow brushes, and a whole variety of things that make your car smell good. Dollar Tree even got a lockdown on Armor All, where they have glass clean, disinfectant, original, and multi-purpose clean. They also have a 2-pack of microfiber towels. They have a spray lubricant for your nuts and bolts. They have a protectant for your dash, wheel and tire cleaner as well, a variety of wash and wax formulas, and a wash and wax sponge with applicator. They also have big microfiber dry towels for your car. They also have microfiber hand mix as well.
So we're leaving the dollar store, but you know, it's a lot of things that you can get from the dollar store, especially for your car. I mean, not to mention some of the tools that they have. And, you know, of course, you get them from the dollar store. They're not of great value, the tools that you get. But if you don't have any tools or anything like that, you can, it's a good starter set you can get. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't always, you know, just the fact that it's, you know, it's from the dollar store, you know. You get you a couple screwdrivers, get you a hammer or something like that you need for little different things here and there, but you don't have to go without. And the whole point is not really to talk up Dollar Tree, but to show you, to broaden your scope of how you feel about different things. You know what I mean? You know, we might look at Dollar Tree as cheap or whatever the case may be, but it's still a better option than nothing. You know what I mean? And it's just until you can get what you need. This goes for anybody, even if it don't even have to do anything with your car. If you know you need some tools around the house, you don't really have a lot of money, take about $10, go to the Dollar Tree and get you some basic tools. You know, get you a screwdriver, get you a small wrench, get you a hammer. You know, don't go without. You don't have to go without. And like I said, it's really not talking up Dollar Tree, but just knowing your options. You can always go to Goodwill or Salvation Army or pawn shops, and you can find a lot of things at the pawn shops as well. So, you know, you don't have to necessarily, especially when it comes to tools, you don't necessarily have to go and buy brand new things when you can go to secondhand places and get the same stuff, you know, and it'll be way cheaper than you trying to buy brand new stuff on some of it, you know. So it's always you know, a different way. It's not necessarily have to be a better way, but it might be better for you, you know. So we're gonna get home and look at some of the things that I've got for this 2013 Dodge Charger, and we'll go from there. Well, that's it for today. Please hit your notification bell if these are the type of things that you like to see. We got a lot of mods coming. We got a lot more content coming. So please tune in to the channel. And as always, keep cruising with Christ.